Imagine a world where your office is wherever you want. No need for expensive equipment or rental space. With just a laptop, you can start a business today. The internet revolutionized entrepreneurship. Now you can connect with clients globally, no matter your location. But it's not all easy. Competition is fierce. You need skills, marketing know-how, and resilience. In this video, let's explore 10 laptop-based businesses you can build. Starting with freelance services. Specializing in one specific task is key. Whether it's video editing or bookkeeping, focus on solving a particular problem. Next, think about digital products. Create something once, like templates or guides, and sell it repeatedly. Your product should solve a real issue. How about online consulting? Share your expertise in areas like marketing or finance. It's about providing real solutions to real problems. Content creation is another avenue. Use platforms like YouTube and blogs to generate revenue through ads and sponsorships. The goal is to build trust and provide value. Niche e-commerce can work too. Select a specific product type and serve a particular market. Understand your costs versus profit clearly. Automation services are on the rise. Businesses need help making workflows efficient. Identify what can be automated and offer solutions. Online education is booming. Create courses that teach important skills. Effectively organize information to help students achieve their goals. Consider Micro-SaaS. Develop small software solutions for specific needs. You don't need to be a programmer, partner with one if necessary. Now, niche newsletters can also thrive. Filter crucial information for a dedicated audience. Trust and accuracy are your main assets. Lastly, think about starting an agency. You can grow from a solo freelancer to managing a team. Consistent clients can lead to steady income. Remember, the laptop is just a tool. It's about the problems you solve for others. So, which of these business ideas resonates with you? Start small. Focus on one idea that plays to your strengths. If you've enjoyed this content, subscribe to Finance Flow for more insights. Let's transform your money ideas into practical opportunities together. Imagine sitting at your favorite cafe, laptop open, pondering which business idea excites you the most. It might be the flexibility of freelance services, where you can leverage your skills and work on projects that inspire you while connecting with clients from around the globe. Alternatively, a venture into digital products could allow you to create something meaningful that can be sold repeatedly, generating passive income as you enjoy your daily cup of coffee. What if you chose online consulting? By sharing your expertise, you can help others navigate challenges in fields like marketing, finance, or wellness, all from your cozy spot. The satisfaction of providing real solutions to real problems can be incredibly fulfilling, while also establishing you as a trusted authority in your niche. Just envision the impact you could make while enjoying the world around you. Content creation offers yet another thrilling opportunity. By using platforms like YouTube or starting a blog, you can share your unique perspective and knowledge, attracting followers and generating revenue through ads and sponsorships. The key lies in building trust with your audience, as they will turn to you for guidance and insight, increasing your reach and potential earnings as you establish your brand. It's an exciting journey to embark on, where your creativity and passion can lead to incredible possibilities. Niche e-commerce stands out as a lucrative option. Imagine curating products that resonate with a specific audience, fulfilling their needs seamlessly. Selecting one type of product and diving deep into that market allows you to connect better with customers, as you understand their preferences. By analyzing costs versus profit meticulously, you can position yourself for success, ensuring your offerings are not only desirable but also financially viable. Every sale not only adds to your revenue but also builds your reputation in that niche. The right strategy can lead you to become a go-to source for those passionate about what you sell. This lays the groundwork for a thriving online shop that stands out amid the vast digital marketplace. In the digital age, AI automation services have emerged as a powerful tool for enhancing business efficiency. Imagine streamlining workflows for companies by identifying repetitive tasks that can be automated. As you dive into this avenue, you can provide tailored solutions that save time and resources, enabling businesses to focus on what truly matters, their core operations. By offering your unique insights into automation, you position yourself as an essential partner in their quest for improvement. With the right approach, this could become a profitable venture that not only meets the demands of modern enterprises but also elevates your professional standing in a rapidly evolving market. As we wrap up, remember that the journey to building your laptop-based business is unique to you. Embrace the challenges, keep learning, and let your passion drive you forward. The possibilities are endless, and your laptop can indeed open doors to a world of entrepreneurial success. Start today, and make your dreams a reality.